Welcome back. Now we are going to do the second subsection of the ninth numerical in the first exercise of Introduction to Trigonometry. Question is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So first we will start with the data which is given. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we know what is tan. Tan is opposite by base. Opposite by base. So they're telling us if opposite is 1, base is root 3. Opposite is 1, then base is root 3. So now I can construct my right angle triangle. Let's say this is my right angle triangle. So in this triangle, this is A and right angled at B. This is B. So therefore this is C. Now which is the opposite? CB is the opposite. If this is 1, AB is a base becomes root 3. So I can find the hypotenuse. How? Pythagoras theorem. Just like the previous case, same thing we did. So Pythagoras theorem. Data also same. Pythagoras theorem tells us hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square or base square. Since I used base earlier, I will use base again here. Base square. So hypotenuse square is going to be opposite is 1 square 1, base is root 3 square 3, which is 4. So hypotenuse is going to be root of 4 2. We got the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2. Done. Now I can find sine. Sine A and then I can find cos A. So sine A. What is sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. This is sine. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is CB. So sine A is equal to CB by hypotenuse AC. CB by AC. Now what is CB value? CB value is 1. AC value is 2. So sine A is equal to half. Over. Sine is over. Now I'll find cos A. Cos A. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to base AB by AC. What is AB? AB is root 3 and AC is 2. So cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. I got cos A. Now I have to find cos C and sin C. So since I need that C, I will redraw my triangle now such that C comes down. I will draw my triangle like this. So this is 90 degrees, which is B. This is C and this is A. Now what is AB value? AB value is root 3. What is BC value? BC value is 1. And what is AC value? AC value is 2. So now the values of the opposite and the base is changing. Hypotenuse will remain the same. So find sin C. Sin C, same. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin C is equal to opposite. Opposite is now AB by hypotenuse. AC. AB is root 3 and AC is 2. So sin C becomes root 3 by 2. Now I need cos. Cos C. Base by hypotenuse. This is cos. Base by hypotenuse. So cos C is equal to base CB by AC. What is CB value? CB value is 1. AC value is 2. So cos C is equal to half. So I got sin C and I got cos C. Now I can find this. Cos A, cos C. Cos A, cos C. Remember the values that I have are all here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So cos A, cos C. Substitute. What is cos A? Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is root 3 by 4. This is cos A, cos C. Sin A, sin C. What is sin A? 1 by 2. Sin C, root 3 by 2. That's root 3 by 4. Therefore, cos A, cos C minus sin A sin C will be root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. What is root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4? 0. So cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is 0. This is the answer. It is 0. So first we start with tan. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan is opposite by base. So if opposite is 1, base is root 3. Draw the trigonometry. Draw the right angle triangle for trigonometry. Pythagoras theorem you use. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus base square. So hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square. 1 plus base is root 3 the square. It will become 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Hypotenuse is 2. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine A is equal to CB by AC. CB is 1, AC is 2. So sine A is 1 by 2. Cos is base by hypotenuse, root 3 by 2. Now redraw the triangle such that C comes down. If C comes down, sin C is opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos C is base by hypotenuse, which is 1 by 2. So cos A cos C is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, root 3 by 4. Sin A sin C is half into root 3 by 2, which is root 3 by 4. So cos A cos C minus sin A sin C will be root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Answer is 0.